Alright, let's go ahead and take this long. 10 contracts. Light sweet crude. As you can see, I'm using support resistance here. And trend line analysis. Sorry, just kind of concentrating on this a tad here. I'm using NinjaTrader as my platform. Now I took this long trade right here at the trend line. As you can see, it's more of a it's not really of a trend we're in right now. It's more of a consolidation that's ascending, or an ascending triangle, as some technical analysis books would call it. But because it's on a very important trend line, this is a very important point to enter a trade. Now you're taught all this in the course. For those of you who are listening to me now who are beginners, don't worry. You'll learn all this, and while you're learning it, our traders will call the entries and exits for you, and we do this from 3 a.m. to 12 noon Eastern Standard each and every day, Monday through Friday. Now this particular trade is still at break even. That's what the yellow cube is on top of the brown cube, which is our average fill. Now I'm very confident on this trade. Can't say that on all the trades, lower probability trades. This one I'm feeling good about. We have a pretty conservative profit target here because we are working in a fairly tight range here, so we have to be a little bit conservative on that. I'll be looking for a max of 4 tick loss at this point. I'll go ahead and move in our stop. There it is. We hit our first one of 500. But let's go ahead and look for another one. It's not very volatile, the market right now, so it's kind of giving us an opportunity to maybe double tap this same signal. Now if we miss it, we're going to go short. I mean, I don't have the trend line on the top here, but it's basically a converging trend line as a ascending triangle, as I stated. So let's go ahead. It gave us another entry here, so I will go ahead and play a nice tight stop here. Let's go for another 5 ticks. Why not? Alright, let's bring in our stop to 5 ticks. There we go. Okay, now we're in pretty good position. Bring in our profit target a little bit here. There we go. We got stopped out on that one. Well, such is life. We only took a $400 hit on that. We're not done with this though. It is a slow moving market, and this is good enough. This thing's coming down. That has been well, let's see here. This looks like a spinning top right here. False breakout of a previous green candle. Hence the short position we were taking. Okay, go for 9 ticks on this. This should pierce the trend line here, which is our support, and we should have enough wiggle room here to knock us out with a profit here of 9 ticks. So we did took a profit on the first, took a loss on the second, and here we go on the third, and let's see if we can't end this thing right now. It is a slow market, so yeah, we may be here for a little bit. Well, how many times has it done that? Alright. Yeah, a lot of times traders will just get out of a trade like this because they get irritated. We're going to stay in it. Patience is a virtue. it is a little frustrating, I have to admit, but usually in the morning we have much faster trades. Was unable to get in there this morning, so you have to be a little bit more patient. Excuse me. Oh, there we go. All right, so we hit our profit target, and we're up 1,000, and that's a good point to quit. Plus, I need a drink of water here. So anyway, we'll see everybody tomorrow. Bye-bye.